What's up, I'm Sarah LaFay. Welcome to my channel. So this video is going to be the first time I'm straightening my hair since I have trimmed it / cut it. I'm going to do a separate video about more in depth of why I got my hair cut. But in this video, Moerie was kind enough to send me some products. And the reason I decided to go ahead and work with them is because this is a luxury hair care line that focuses on helping to grow hair. So one of my frustrations with my hair lately is not seeing the length retention that I preferably want. So I'm going to be using these products for a little bit to see if this helps me to see some length retention a little bit better. So what they ended up sending me was the mineral conditioner. It has 77 minerals, 5 vitamins, 18 amino acids. The Mineral Ultimate Growth Spray. And the cool thing I learned about this spray is that it's not gonna make your hair oily afterwards. So that's something I'm really excited to try, because a lot of the hair growth, pretty much all of the hair growth serums that I use make my hair super oily. So I only use them a few days after I've washed and straightened my hair. So this time around, I'm gonna put this in my hair pretty much right after I flat iron it. They also sent me 2 shampoos. The shampoo also has 77 minerals, 5 vitamins, and 18 amino acids. And then I got the hair repairing mask. So this is what I'm most excited to try. I'm a sucker for hair masks. It's been over a week since I straightened my hair. It is full of oils right now from me just trying to take really great care of it. And I'm going to start off with washing my hair. Okay, so this is my hair before I start washing it. You can see it's really oily. And I'm gonna wash my hair with warm water. Not hot, not cold, warm to open up the cuticle, and it just helps everything get cleansed properly. So the great thing about their products is that they're paraben-free, fragrance-free, cruelty-free, silicone-free, SLS-free, and GMO-free. And the ingredients are made to really help to repair the hair. So the shampoo has a really nice, light, pretty scent, like a grapefruit. It smells exactly like a grapefruit, and it has a very nice lather. I went ahead and washed my hair twice just to make sure I got rid of all the oils. So after that wash, my hair feels super clean. In fact, it almost feels stripped, but that's expected because the shampoo is paraben free and silicone free. So it's good to follow up with their conditioner and hair mask just to restore all that back into the hair. However, because I had all that oil in my hair, it is actually good to clarify your hair with the clarifying shampoo at least once a month. Like, this will definitely be my go-to clarifying shampoo. So I'm going to overdo it with conditioner like I always do. Start off with my ends and work my way up. The conditioner has a great slip, and it smells just like the shampoo, like this really light grapefruit scent. I probably didn't even need that much conditioner, to be honest, but it is definitely making my hair super easy to detangle. And the consistency for me is nice and creamy. I do like a thick conditioner when I am using a hair mask or trying to deep condition my hair, but with my kind of weekly routine, for the most part, I don't like a lot of super thick conditioners because it makes the hair heavy once I go ahead and straighten it. I am going to take my wide tooth comb and further the detangling process. Alright, so I have the conditioner all throughout my hair. I detangled it, and now I'm going to rinse it off with some cold water. Alright, so I got the conditioner all rinsed out. And to be honest with you guys, as I was rinsing it out, I'm like, okay, my hair is feeling not as moisturized as I would like it to after a conditioner. But now it definitely feels like there is some moisture in there. But now that I'm going to use the hair mask, it'll definitely feel super duper moisturized, but not like it's weighing my hair down, because these products are very light. At least that's what I'm hoping. But for the mask, I'm just going to apply it from the ends and work my way up and just kind of detangle it with my fingers to make sure I'm getting my strands. Alright, so the mask went a lot further than I thought it would. I still have like all this left, so probably can get 2 or 3 more uses out of it. And I've had it on my hair for 10 minutes already, so I'm going to rinse it off again with some cold water. Okay, so finally finished the wash process, and now I am going to section my hair off. You see my hair is super easy to detangle right now. So I blow dry my hair, and I'm going to have this link below along with all of the products. Okay, my hair feels extremely soft right now. This is crazy. Wow. Okay, got through the blow dry process. I wouldn't actually mind leaving my hair like this, but I am going to run the flat iron through it. However, I'm going to do it a lot differently than I've ever done it before. As with modeling, I'm constantly having to put heat on my hair. The times that I don't need to, I'm either gonna wear my hair in like a blow dried state, or for the sake of this video, I do want to just kind of press it out a little bit. What I'm going to do is put the flat iron on the second setting, which is 340, and then I'm going to flat iron it in really big chunks. So it'll take me about 10 minutes, if that, just to kind of smooth out my hair a little bit, so I can wear it like in a ponytail or however I want to do it, where I'm not having like all my hair out, kind of like that in a sense. So this will be my little 10-minute flat iron. This is the sections that I'll be taking. I'm gonna dab my root and just slowly bring it down one time. So I am all finished. All that did was kind of smooth out the hair just a little bit better, where it doesn't look as frizzy. I'm gonna use some of the hair growth spray and spray it right into my scalp. Oh my gosh. This stuff smells incredible. It smells like the beach. Oh yeah, that is my favorite product right there, that hair growth spray. I will actually spray this on my body. But all in all, I love the results. This will be kind of one of my new routines that I do as well, the 10-minute flat iron. If you want to try these products, I'll have it linked down below and you'll get 10% off. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until the next one, ciao.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.